Hi there, Toby here. So this is just going to be a short video on the power of mindful intention. The idea behind it is that it's going to be a standalone video in itself. So if you want to learn a bit more about mindful intention, you can watch this and you'll get some good things. It's also a video I'm producing for the page of my new upcoming Power of Intention meditation course. So you can check that out if you like the video. So first thing to notice about intention in mindfulness terms is that it's what I call an all-accompanying mental factor. So when you're waking and even when you're dreaming, you always have an intention. That intention is either conscious or unconscious. There are things that are motivating you to do what you're doing or think about what you're thinking about or say what you're saying. The question is, well, if that intention is all-accompanying, always there, what is your attention in this moment? What is your attention in this particular activity? What is your intention with this person? What are you doing this for? Why are you doing it? So first thing is to notice that you have an intention almost all the time, pretty much all the time, I'd say. And to notice that you have conscious intentions that you know you have, and that you're allowing yourself to be consciously motivated and become active around. And there are some unconscious ones, but you're not aware of, and or that you have to check yourself and really notice that they're motivating you because they're unconscious. So just noticing that play of intention on the conscious and unconscious level and trying to make more and more of your intentions conscious. All right, so that's the first part of it. Second part of it is to notice you have, or there are three, broadly speaking, three levels of intention that it's useful to be aware of and that you need to work on integrating. So there is the intention to be of some kind of benefit to ourselves, to me, to our I space, to do things during the day and to behave toward ourselves in a way that is generally benevolent, constructive, helps us to build strength, resilience, to feel well, and so forth. Right? So second level of intention is the level of intention to be of benefit to our close circle. So to benefit the people around us, friends, family, colleagues, people that we have an ongoing, relatively regular and close relationship to. So that's a very important level of intention to be cultivating. It can be complementary to the first, so I can have the intention to benefit myself so that I can be of benefit to my close circle. So if you can be of benefit to yourself and your close circle, you can then expand that to say, okay, in order to benefit the world, I'm being of benefit to myself and to my close circle, and that good energy will then ripple out into the world. So by taking care of myself, my close circle, in a positive way, I then have the intention to let that ripple out into the world, make my little contribution to the planet and to the well-being of humanity and so forth. So again, you're trying to dance between these three levels during the day. Why am I doing something? Well, for myself. If I can do it well for myself, that's going to help my close circle. If I help my close circle, that's going to ripple out into the world. I make the world a better place. All right. So third domain to notice is that we have, and there are, other people have, benevolent and malevolent intentions, and discerning those within ourselves and within the people we meet. So there are people that have benevolent intentions toward us, and that these people are going to be generally trustworthy, and we can notice that there are people that have malevolent intentions. They may be conscious malevolent intentions, they're explicitly trying to harm us, or it may be unconscious, they think they're trying to help us, but in fact there's some kind of subconscious agenda. And then we switch that and look at ourselves and we realize, actually, oops, I also sometimes have unconscious malevolent agendas towards other people, and this is something I need to watch out for. Just be honest around and notice when I'm doing that, and try and gently shift my overall intentionality from malevolent to benevolent. Final type of intention I'd like to mention in this video is upbuilding or constructive intentions, and destructive or releasing intentions. So this is different from benevolent or malevolent. So an upbuilding or constructive intention is the intention to build something in your life. So you need, in order to build things, achieve goals, create things that you want in your life, you need upbuilding intentions, constructive intentions. This is very important, but then this also needs to be balanced out by the intention to let go, to release, to deconstruct, to destroy certain things in your life that have outmoded their usefulness or that are crowding things out and that you need to let go of. So building up, letting go, the intention to upbuild, to release, upbuild, release. And this is something to be aware of and try to work on balancing. There's a point of balance between the constructive and destructive, the building up and the releasing. All right, so what have we got? I just want to bring this together briefly. We've got this idea you always have an intention at all times. To be aware of that, to notice you have conscious and unconscious intentions, to make your intentions generally more conscious, to live your life on purpose. Right? So then, secondly, 3 levels of intention: to benefit myself, to benefit my close circle, to benefit the world, and bringing these 3 intentions into a harmonic in our life, a conscious harmonic, so that they are mutually strengthening each other. Noticing, next is noticing the benevolent and malevolent intentions in ourselves and others, and discerning those, trying to make within ourselves moving towards the benevolent side, releasing the malevolent, and discerning that in our relationships with other people, seeing where other people are coming from intentionally. And then finally, the upbuilding constructive intention and the releasing, letting go, destructive intention, that which needs to be balanced in our life, so that we are balancing the process of bringing things into our life and letting them go. All right, so that's a little bit of an overview of intention. I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, it's a video in itself. You can start working with it straight away just by coming back to some of the points I've made. But then if you feel like participating in the meditation course on intention that I'll be doing, then I look forward to seeing you then.